welcome all. Here we are present in PH lab of Government Polytechnic Balangir. Today our experiment is testing of pH of water. We know water is very important construction material for concrete and mortar and many construction activities. So the quality of water need to be checked. One very important aspect is pH. pH generally pH determines the acid or base nature of the water. We generally use drinking water for in construction work. So the water need to be tested for pH. So that it can be used during the construction. Today in our lab, Sri Saurabh sir will demonstrate the experiment and I will follow. This is the experiment name is pH value of water.
Today we are going for testing of water sample. The pH of water sample. Here is the pH machine, digital pH meter. It is provided with an electrode, a glass electrode. We are having the bulb at the end of the electrode, and here in the pH meter we can see this is the function knob. Here it is the slope knob. Here it is the calibration knob, and here is the temperature knob, and here it is the display screen. Okay. So at first, and the apparatus required in this experiment is the pH 4 buffer tablets and pH 7 buffer tablets. We are using the buffer tablets to prepare the buffer solution of pH 7 and pH 4 for the calibration purpose. Other than that, we are using glass beaker and distilled water in a wash bottle and our sample. So at first we are preparing now the buffer solution of pH 7. We are having the pH 7 buffer capsules and pH 4 buffer capsules. We will prepare the buffer solution. The importance of preparing buffer solution is to calibrate the pH meter. So we will first take 100 ml of distilled water. Of distilled water, in which we will take the lower meniscus of the, we are finding the lower meniscus of the distilled water, and we will take it in the beaker. And then we will first make the buffer solution of pH 7. So we are taking out the capsules and we will put it in the water, distilled water. The pH buffer solution, we have prepared the pH buffer solution, and first we will go for pH 7 buffer solution for the calibration purpose. In this pH tablet, it has given the temperature should be of 20 degrees Celsius. So we will first put the temperature knob to 20 degrees Celsius, and before experiment we should notice that the function knob should be in standby mode. So when we will go for dip the electrode, we will change the function knob to pH knob, and here we will see it has been slowly coming down and it should come near 7, pH 7. It is fluctuating and we should wait up to some constant reading. now stopped at 96.95. So now we will change the calibration knob to 7. We will do it very carefully. So we have set it at 7. After 7, we have to change the function knob to standby mode. We have changed the function mode to standby mode, and now we will take out the electrode from the buffer solution, and after that we have to wash the electrode with distilled water. We are washing the electrode because there should not be any strain of pH 7 remaining on the electrode, because we are preparing the electrode for the again calibration purpose for pH 4. We should slowly move the tissue paper over the electrode so that there should not be any water droplets present. And again now we will repeat the same with pH 4 buffer solution. We will dip the electrode inside the pH 4 buffer solution, and now again we will check the temperature is at 20 degrees Celsius and the function is at standby mode. And now we will change the function knob to pH mode. We can see that it is 4.38 here, it is fluctuating, so it should come at a constant, so that we will change. This time we will go for slope knob. The slope knob we will change to pH 4.00. We will change the slope. So now we can see that the digital meter is showing the reading. It is revolving around 4.10 and 4.09. So we are confirmed that it is at 4.10. So we will set the slope to 4, pH at 4. Here we have set the pH of the meter, pH meter at 4. So after setting, we will change the function knob to again standby mode, and we will take out the electrode from the solution, buffer solution. And after taking out the electrode, again we will follow the same procedure of washing the electrode with distilled water. And now we can see that our machine is ready for testing of the water sample. Now we will take the required water sample of which we will find the pH of the water. Now we will again dip the electrode in the sample water, and with this calibration purpose, we have calibrated the pH pH meter with pH 4 and pH 7, and now we will start determine the pH of the sample. After dipping the electrode in the water sample, we will change the function knob to again pH knob, pH mode, and we will find the pH. It has started the fluctuating of these numbers, and we will wait till the reading comes to a constant reading. As you can between 7.76 to 7.77. So we can conclude that the pH of this water is 6. So with this we will change the function knob to again standby knob, standby mode. And with this we found out the pH of this water sample to be 7.76, which is in the limits of drinking water. According to IS 10500-2012 Indian Standards for Drinking Water, the pH value for drinking water is 6.5 to 8.5. The range is between 6.5 to 8.5, and we found out the pH value of the water sample to be 7.76. Hence, we conclude that the water is fit for drinking. Thank you.